friends, and welcome once again. As I had promised you early that I'll be updating you on weekly basis, and today I can show you that at least my carrots are ready for planting, and I've just taken them from the water, and I want to put them in a plastic container where they'll start to germinate. I believe that experience that at least you've seen or you had also at home with your carrots can really guide you and also encourage you to plant some carrots at home. So you can see I have a plastic container here with fertilized soil. You can see my carrots here ready for planting. So I'll take one by one, and then I'll put them inside here. You can see at least my container is big enough to support the growth of the carrot. Make sure that you create enough space for each of your carrots. We'd like to add some soil. You've seen that it's quite a simple exercise that doesn't require a lot of time, a lot of resources, space, as you just need little item, little space and time. Now I want to water my carrots. Now you can easily be able to see my carrots. They are now ready, and I'm going to place them in a good place where they'll now continue growing slowly by slowly. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed my demonstration, and you've also been encouraged to do the same experiment at home and enjoy yourself. So don't forget guys to like, share, as well as subscribe. So till next time, bye bye.